talk. Sorry, I missed that opening because I was too busy being surrounded by Marines here. Do you smile?
Yes, Derek Mack.
Derek what?
Mack, M-A-C-K.
Okay, Derek Mack, like Big Mac, but without the with the K. I like Big Macs. Sorry, you're not supposed to smile. You're supposed to look serious. I'm with Staff Sergeant Sadie Workman, and I am with Staff Sergeant Walker Sambola. Did I say that correctly?
It's Walter, but yes.
Walter, what did I say? Walker?
Walker. We're good.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. Now, Toys for Tots. This is our fifth year helping with Add 2 in conjunction with Toys for Tots. This season, the economy sucks. How has that affected your drive or what you guys are trying to accomplish this year? Sadie, do you want to?
Sure. The toys this year, we've gotten a lot less toys than we have last year. We're hurting really bad for boys from 9 to 12. Last year we had a lot more toys in the warehouse, but this year the drives have kind of been a lot less than what they have last year.
You know, Walter, is this just to the Tampa Bay area, or is this, because Toys for Tots is around across the whole country. So is this affecting everybody or just us here?
It's affecting everyone as a whole at the current time. We've had to spend more money from the foundation. The foundation goes out and finds corporate sponsors that donate to our accounts. And with that, we're able to go purchase toys. Last year, we spent a lot less money than what we've had to do this year.
Well, how are you guys, you boys in our area, 9 to 12, what exactly do they want? It's toys. You're not asking for clothes or money or food or... it's just strictly toys, correct?
Just strictly toys. A lot of the boys this year would like more of like the radio-controlled airplanes, trucks, cars, the Hulk, bicycles, a lot more older-aged boys. That's what we're hurting a lot for. We have a lot of girl toys, female toys. It's just the boys.
Now, these are not donated toys from what we pull out of our closets that our kids use for years. These are new, unwrapped toys that
Correct.
you guys will then take and distribute.
Correct, yes.
What's our distribution like in the Bay Area? How many people or families are part of Toys for Tots?
Right now, we currently have 10,000 families that are registered, and we use the Family Resource Service Centers to do this for us. What they do is the family will show up there, and they'll get put into a website database, which is provided for us as well. They take the applications, and then they let us know what the need is, and we try to fill that need.
Oh, okay, so then you guys are going from a list then, almost. That this is what Jake Michaels needs, and
Correct.
this is what Joe Smith needs, and so forth.
Yes.
If somebody does not have time to go to Target or Walmart to buy a toy, can they donate money, and then you all will go and take care of filling their wish list?
Absolutely. We collect monetary donations. We do not solicit for monetary donations, but we will accept them, and we'll send them to the foundation to an account that's specifically earmarked for us here in the Tampa area.
It's so funny that you mentioned that because I'm looking at some of the toys behind you. You can smile. I'm looking at some of the toys behind, and these are kid toys. These are children toys.
Correct, yes.
Oh, we're putting it here. You've got action figures. You've got, I know that's a stuffed animal. I know you've got a coloring book down there. But that really is tough for teenagers.
It is.
Because you guys go all the way up to 18?
12.
Up to 12.
12 this year. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that stinks. What about the 12 to 18-year-olds?
We were handling that for the longest time, but those toys are so expensive when you start looking at what we actually have to provide for a 16 to 17-year-old child. It's not like
they're
you
more
can give them
expensive. They're Wii's and
Absolutely.
PlayStation 3s,
Absolutely.
aren't they?
So what we tell people out there in the local community is donate what you feel you would like your child to have for Christmas, and try to make sure that they're going to try to make that child's Christmas a lot happier this year.
Where, if people can't come down here tonight to the brewing company, where can they drop off their toys, or where can they give money to?
They can drop off their toys at any public supermarket, any Walmart that's in the local area. Just basically look within your community. There's boxes that are placed everywhere. There's also our warehouse location, which is at 4921 South Lois Avenue here in the Tampa area. They can drop off directly there between the hours of 09 and 9 p.m., 7 days a week.
09. Is that 9 a.m.?
Absolutely.
For us non-military people, that would be 9 a.m. in the morning. Now, I'm assuming if they want to donate, there's an online URL that they can go to donate for our Tampa Bay area.
They can go specifically to TampaBayToysForTots.org, go under the contact link, which will list our phone numbers. They can call us directly, and we can give them further information on where to send their donation to.
ToysForTotsTampaBay.org. Please, I mean, the economy is hurting everybody right now, but especially these families, 9 to 12-year-old boys, toys, bicycles, skateboards, pads,
Radio control cars, airplanes, games, just anything that teenage boys would like.
And if you can't find that, if you're out shopping, go online, donate or call, get the number, and you can donate money there as well.
As our phone numbers are also on the front of the boxes that you see. They'll have phone numbers and addresses to our warehouse on front of the boxes on the flyer on the front.
Gotcha. Well, I thank you guys very much for coming here and letting us be a part of this. Thank you back there. You want to say somebody?
Hoorah.
Hoorah. Thank you very much. I hope everything
Thank
works
you.
out well for you guys.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you
having us.
I'm going to take my next break. As soon as I return, it's all about Adam Irizarry. He's going to be performing, and we're going to be chit-chatting with him. Media Talk is done up at Tampa Digital Studios, sponsored by the Creative Loafing. We'll be back here in 60 seconds.